Your trading community holds you hostage with the strategy that they teach. You learn to trade their way, and that's it. It's a one-way relationship. Upon mastering the strategy after months or years of backtesting, your progression becomes bottlenecked by the development of your mentor, meaning that if your mentor isn't progressing, then your progression is restricted. And let's say you want to push the limits and you come up with some new ideas and some refinements for the strategy that you're learning. Well, most communities would discourage you because it's taboo to trade differently from the mentor. Every weekend, I meet with a small group of other consistently profitable traders, and we came to the realization that we'd unfortunately outgrown our trading community. We started thinking outside the box, outside our community, and our growth was huge. We began researching and integrating dozens of new refinements into our trading strategy. We even accidentally discovered some new entries which I haven't touched on this channel before. We thought, if we can achieve this much as just 3 or 4 traders, what could a whole community achieve with this philosophy? In fact, why aren't trading communities doing this already? Well, it's because they're operating like businesses. They want you to learn slowly and keep your subscription active. Anyway, this idea led to the creation of Zentum, a new community-driven trading group which strives to achieve 2 main objectives. 1, to teach new traders how to go from zero to consistently profitable with a step-by-step learning plan and a detailed education. And 2, to build a global cooperative of experienced traders where we can regularly integrate new refinements into our trading strategy as a collective, without fear of being judged. Marco, Nico, and I have been working hard behind the scenes to bring you guys a real trading community, one for beginners and experienced traders. If you're a new trader, we've already spent years clearing the path for you. We've outlined everything you need to do each week to become a consistently profitable trader within 6 months. And all you need to do is follow the steps that we've outlined for you. The path is clear. You can tell that I'm really passionate about this. We're going to be launching Zentum today with a lifetime discount for our early supporters, meaning that if you join within this next week, so before January 25th, and you use the code LAUNCH20, you'll get 20% off your membership for life. And we're completely open to your ideas and feedback, so please let me know in the comments what you think of this project. I encourage you to come and join us. The Discord, you can get limited access to the Discord for free. Just go on the Zentum Trading website. And yeah, let's improve our trading in 2024 together. Thank you so much for following me up to this point. I see your comments. I know some of you need a community like this, and I'm really proud to be able to release it to you guys.